TPM device is not detected. Message is showing. When I go to BIOS, TPM 2.0 security option is missing. TPM 2.0 security option is not showing in BIOS in Dell laptop. Solution: if TPM 2.0 security is not showing in BIOS, then try the solution. Unplug power cable, then press power button for few seconds. Press and hold power button for few seconds to drain motherboard power. Press and hold power button for few seconds to drain motherboard power. Now TPM 2.0 security option is showing in BIOS. Now you can enable TPM on. Subscribe, comment, like.